Hi and hello everyone, I'm Leo. This is the unboxing and review of WD 12TB NAS drive. I did find some issue with this drive, but I will talk about that in a second. First, we talk about the spec. The capacity is 12TB, 5400 RPM, 256 MB cache. Features support up to 8 drives working together. 180TB workflow in a year. Fully open for NAS devices and meant for 724 environments. According to the smart tests that I run on my computer, the real capacity is 11.5 TB, 10.91 TB show on my free NAS device. And the smart status show good. The temperature is between 29 to 44 Celsius. When I'm buying a hard drive, WD always my number one choice. However, I didn't buy more than 4 TB before this purchase. I know WD required HGST a few years ago. They use HGST's helium technology to build all the drives more than 8 TB. Maybe that's the reason all 4 drives I bought have the same noise I didn't recognize. I can tell the noise is from the head movement. Whenever the head's back to the base, it gives me a big tick sound. I can hear that from a distance. I also can feel the big vibration when I touch the drive. If you're also having these issues, please write me a comment. Lastly, we talk about the price and shipping. I ordered 2 from Amazon, 2 from Newegg. Each one costs $349. Small tips here. If you're buying a lot of drive at the same time, it's better to buy them from different company because it can reduce the chance they fail at the same time. In a NAS environment, drive fails is normal, but you definitely don't want them to fail at the same time. I placed the order at the same time. At May 17th, I got it at the same time. At May 20th, both companies ship with UPS. At the end of the video, I will show you the noise sounds like. Again, I'm Leo. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again. Bye bye.